Kinong elam jung ko All India Congress Committee ki badairu ki media coordinator na benda ke jala Meghalaya ki lapan pa ba jinglek Dr Mukul sangma ban pynïasoh shako All India Trinamool Congress AICC kadai ke jingbakla ke bajurba ya kani lapan pa da Bobita Sharma ha ke jing ekran ba ki lat pathai khubor Congress bawan bat benrapru ba ke jingbakla chung u ban jed ke parti kadai namar ba kanom poi shanu ru.
Here I would also like to talk a little bit more about our old colleague, very respected Dr. Mukul Sangma. With all due respect to him, I think he has made the greatest political blunder of his life by joining the TMC. And TMC, as you all know, I must remind you, my dear friends, that late Purna Sangma had also joined the TMC long time back. But what happened to that friendship? It did not last long. It died down. So at that time itself, it was realized that people of Meghalaya will never accept TMC because it is an outsider party. Because I don't think that TMC will make much inroad only in the Garo Hills, but in the West, in Khasi Hills, I don't think they're going to make any impact at all. So even in the Garo Hills, we have got the background feedback that they are not going to win many seats. So I feel that he has made the biggest political blunder by leaving the Congress party.
Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawalawan kapor ka jingkela rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pen sawalawan